Well, it's going to be a little bit tough to see, but big news from the workshop about the 2009 FJR Yamaha 1300, the Harbour Bridge crash. It's all back together, bodywork's in, emergency lighting is kind of in. It's just hanging down there for the moment because I'm waiting for that bushing. Most of the wiring's back in place, and I've done a test fit, obviously. Apologies for the light, we haven't got the workshop fully fitted, but we've got blue pole light and the hideaway lights, which you can't really see. So I thought I'd just give you a quick show of what it looks like so far. So power on, you can see it's only 15,896 Ks, which is crazy. It's basically brand new. Still got the New South Wales Police Service uncalibrated speedo sticker, and then of course on top, which you probably can't see at all, the Ballinger SDS. And then of course we have the mysterious switches that nobody ever knows what are for, and we have the master switch here. Now we don't have the siren hooked up yet, but we have everything else hooked up, almost everything else. So I'll give you the walking tour. So this is the site you don't really want to see. If I stand very still, you can see the red is running on the left, on the right of the frame, blue on the left. Give you a quick walk around. Siren is mounted. So Christmas time has come early. That's all for now. Stay tuned for updates soon. See ya.